Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, the concept of intelligence. First 1 to 3 questions are to find out the paragraph from which these statements have been taken. First statement is, information about how non-scientist assumptions about intelligence influence their behavior towards others. गैर वैज्ञानिक लोगों की बुद्धिमत्ता के बारे में धारणाएं, assumptions, अक्सर ये तय करती हैं कि वे दूसरों के साथ कैसा व्यवहार करते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. Parents' implicit theories of their children's language development will determine at what ages they will be willing to make various corrections in their children's speech. More generally, parents' implicit theories of intelligence will determine at what ages they believe their children are ready to perform various cognitive tasks. Job interviewers will make hiring decisions on the basis of their implicit theories of intelligence. People will decide who to be friends with on the basis of such theories, so its answer is paragraph B. Next statement is a reference to lack of clarity over the definition of intelligence. बुद्धिमत्ता की परिभाषा को लेकर स्पष्टता की कमी का एक reference. Let's see in the paragraph. In other words, people all have unconscious notions, known as implicit theories, of intelligence, but no one knows for certain what it actually is, so its answer is paragraph A. Next statement is, the point that a researcher's implicit and explicit theories may be very different. ये बिंदु कि किसी शोधकर्ता के अंतर्निहित, implicit, और प्रत्यक्ष, explicit, सिद्धांत एक दूसरे से बहुत भिन्न हो सकते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph, if an investigation of implicit theories reveals little correspondence between the extant implicit and explicit theories, the implicit theories may be wrong, so its answer is paragraph D. Next 4 to 6 questions are, yes, no and not given. First question is, slow language development in children is likely to prove disappointing to their parents. This statement is not at all discussed in the passage, so its answer is not given. Next question is, people's expectations of what children should gain from education are universal. ये धारणा कि बच्चों को शिक्षा से क्या प्राप्त करना चाहिए, इस बारे में लोगों की अपेक्षाएं यूनिवर्सल होती हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. People have expectations for intellectual performances that differ for children of different ages. How these expectations differ is in part a function of culture, so it's clear that it is different, not universal. Therefore, its answer is no. Next question is, scholars may discuss theories without fully understanding each other. विद्वान कभी-कभी सिद्धांतों पर चर्चा तो करते हैं, लेकिन वे एक दूसरे को पूरी तरह समझ नहीं पाते. Let's see in the paragraph. Until scholars are able to discuss their implicit theories and thus their assumptions, they are likely to miss the point of what others are saying when discussing their explicit theories and their data. So because statements are same, so its answer is yes. Next 7 to 13 questions are to match the given statements with correct theory. First statement is, it is desirable for the same possibilities to be open to everyone. ये desirable है कि समान अवसर सभी के लिए खुले हों. Let's see in the paragraph. In the Jeffersonian view, the goal of education is not to favor or foster an elite as in the Hamiltonian tradition, but rather to allow children the opportunities to make full use of the skills, so its answer is Jeffersonian. Next statement is, no section of society should have preferential treatment at the expense of another. समाज के किसी भी वर्ग को दूसरे की कीमत पर विशेष या प्राथमिकता वाला व्यवहार नहीं मिलना चाहिए. Let's see in the paragraph, the Jacksonian view is that all people are equal, not only as human beings but in terms of their competencies, so its answer is Jacksonian. Next statement is, people should only gain benefits on the basis of what they actually achieve. लोगों को लाभ केवल उसी आधार पर मिलना चाहिए जो वे वास्तव में हासिल करते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. The Jeffersonian view is that people should have equal opportunities, but they do not necessarily avail themselves equally of these opportunities and are not necessarily equally rewarded for their accomplishment as. People are rewarded for what they accomplish, if given equal opportunity, so its answer is Jeffersonian. Next statement is, variation in intelligence begins at birth. बुद्धिमत्ता में भिन्नता जन्म से ही शुरू हो जाती है. Let's see in the paragraph. The Hamiltonian view, which is similar to the Platonic view, is that people are born with different levels of intelligence, so its answer is Hamiltonian. Next statement is, the more intelligent people should be in positions of power. अधिक बुद्धिमान लोगों को सत्ता या अधिकार के पदों पर होना चाहिए. Let's see in the paragraph, in the Hamiltonian view, those who are less intelligent need the good offices of the more intelligent to keep them in line, so its answer is Hamiltonian. Next statement is, everyone can develop the same abilities. हर व्यक्ति समान क्षमताएं विकसित कर सकता है. Let's see in the paragraph. In Jacksonian view of democracy, people are essentially intersubstitutable except for specialized skills, all of which can be learned, so its answer is Jacksonian. Next statement is, people of low intelligence are likely to lead uncontrolled lives. कम बुद्धिमत्ता वाले लोग अनियंत्रित जीवन जीने की अधिक संभावना रखते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. The Hamiltonian view, the emergence of a cognitive high IQ elite, which eventually would have to take responsibility for the largely irresponsible masses of non-elite, low IQ, people who cannot take care of themselves. So its answer is Hamiltonian. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.